Our very own Hilda Baci is just making Nigeria proud. She's currently at Echo Hotels Park B, and she's attempting to break the world record for the largest pot of jollof rice prepared to celebrate World Jollof Rice Day with the support of Gino, who is sponsoring this huge event. Now, the pot that she's using is 6 meter wide, and she's cooking 250 bags of rice. This event was supposed to hold at Muri Okunola's park, but the park would only hold 3,000 people, and 20,000 persons as of Thursday had already registered for the event. There was no way it was going to work, and that's why it was shifted to Echo Hotels. The star Hilda Baci also took to social media early today to assure guests, that's the invited persons, that the pot was squeaky clean as she had used the Viva washing detergent, and she washed the pot personally. She did it herself and used brand new mop to get rid of the excess water. What can we say about this feat? I mean, Hilda Baci is just epic. The Guinness World Book of Record team already wished her and her team best of luck, and that's what we wish her to. I'm very confident that she's going to hit that record. I will see you next time. I am Esther Salami with the News Chronicle TV.